Are you thinking about investing into the stock market and you want to make a passive income doing it? Dividend stocks is a great way to do that. Maybe you already invest into dividend stocks and you're looking to add a few more positions to your portfolio. In this video, I have 30 stocks to talk about that have ex-dividend dates in the month of November. Stick around. Greetings and welcome to my channel. My name is Troy Thomas. First off, I need to mention that I am not licensed to give financial information, so any info that I put out in this video is meant just as a stepping stone for you to go and do your own research before making a financial commitment. Next up, I want to ask you to please hit that thumbs up button for me. It helps with the algorithm and I would greatly appreciate it. All right, so as I already mentioned, I have 30 different stocks that have ex-dividend dates in the month of November. And so that this video doesn't get too long, I'm going to go through them pretty quick. So if one of them piques your interest, feel free to just hit pause and jot down some information. Then you can go to the internet and do your own research, find out if it's going to be a good fit for you. Remember, if you want to collect a dividend from a certain stock, you need to own that stock the day before the ex-dividend date. For example, if it has an ex-dividend date of the 15th, you need to own that stock by the 14th, on the 14th or before the 14th. If you buy it on the 15th, you will not collect that dividend. So keep that in mind when we go through this list. Now, all of the prices and percentages in this video are based on research that I did on October 26th and October 27th. So those numbers will fluctuate by the time you see this video. Also, all of these stocks were rated by tip ranks as either a strong or moderate buy, and they all have an upside potential. All right, like I said, this list is pretty long, so I'm going to go through them pretty quick. So let's get started. First up on our long list of stocks is AES Corporation, ticker symbol AES. I really don't know anything about this company, but it does have an ex-dividend date of November 1st, pays a dividend of 15 cents. It is rated as a strong buy with an 18% upside potential. Next up is BANR Corporation, ticker symbol BANR. It closed out at just under $60 and has an ex-dividend date of November 1st. Pays 40 cents as a dividend. It is a moderate buy and it's about an 8% upside potential. Heritage Financial, ticker symbol HFWA. Recently closed out at about $25. It has an ex-dividend date of November 2nd. Has a yield of 3.3%, pays a dividend of 20 cents per share. It is a moderate buy at 16% upside potential. Ticker symbol NEP, Nextera Energy Partners. It has an ex-dividend date of November 3rd. It pays 68 cents per share. It is a strong buy with an 8% upside potential. The Bank of Princeton is next, ticker symbol BPRN. It's around $30 a share. It has ex-dividend date of November 4th, pays 18 cents per dividend, and it is a moderate buy with an 11% upside potential. Constellation Brands, ticker symbol STZ, has an ex-dividend date on November 4th. It is currently about $218. It pays 75 cents per share. Tip ranks lists this as a moderate buy with a 17% upside potential. Moving on, we have FirstEnergy with ticker symbol of FE. It also has ex-dividend date of November 4th, pays a dividend of 38 cents per share. It is a strong buy and it has an 11% upside potential. This next company is another one that I really don't know anything about. It is Weston Holdings with ticker symbol LW. It costs about $58 per share. It's another dividend date of November 4th. It pays a 23-cent dividend. It is a strong buy and it has a 34% upside potential. Brink's company is next. It has a ticker symbol of BCO. It's about $65 a share right now. Its ex-dividend date is November 5th. It pays 20 cents per share. It is a moderate buy, but it has a 46% upside potential, potentially being at $95 12 months from now. Schnitzel Steel, ticker symbol SCHN. It's currently about $55 a share. Now take a look at this. This is up 171% since this time last year. So this might be a stock that I'm going to think about quite a bit. It also has a moderate buy and a 54% upside potential. Its ex-dividend date is November 5th and it pays 18 cents per share. MetLife is next. Ticker symbol MET. It's about $65 a share. November 8th is the ex-dividend date. It pays 47 cents per share. It is a strong buy at 15% upside potential. Moving on to PAG, Penske Automotive Group. Now this is another one that's up about 100% since a year ago. It's currently trading at about $106, has an ex-dividend date of November 9th, pays 46 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a moderate buy with a 16% upside potential. TJX Companies, with a ticker symbol of TJX, trades at about $65, November 9th dividend date, ex-dividend date, and it pays about 25 cents per share. The analysts rate this as a strong buy with a 31% upside potential. Up next on the list is Honeywell International, ticker symbol HON. It is currently at about $217. Its ex-dividend date is on November 10th, and it pays 98 cents per share. It is a moderate buy with a 9% upside potential. Moving on to Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX, currently trading at about $114. Another ex-dividend date of November 10th. 49 cents per share is its dividend. TipRanks has this as a strong buy with a 15% upside potential. AGCO Corporation, ticker symbol AGCO, currently trading at a little under $130. It's up about 66% since a year ago. Its ex-dividend date is on November 12th. It pays 20 cents per dividend or per share and is listed as a strong buy at a 22% upside potential. Another company that I don't know anything about and I don't even know how to say its name, but I'm going to give it a try. Aperam SA, ticker symbol APEMY, currently trading at about $57. Its ex-dividend date is November 12th and it pays 45 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a moderate buy, but it has a 43% upside potential. Eli & Company is next, ticker symbol LLY. It's currently trading at about $250, and look at this, it's up about 90% since a year ago. Its ex-dividend date is November 12th. It pays a dividend of 85 cents. TipRanks lists this as a strong buy with a 12% upside potential. UMH Properties is up next. It's trading at about $24 a share. Ex-dividend date of November 12th, pays a dividend of 18 cents. TipRanks has this as a strong buy with a 15% upside potential. Ticker symbol PSX, which is for Phillips 66. It has an ex-dividend date on November 16th. Its dividend payout is 92 cents per share. And TipRanks has this as a moderate buy at 12% upside. Moving on to Target, ticker symbol TGT. A little over $250 for this stock. It has an ex-dividend date on November 16th. They pay 89 cents per share. The analyst lists this as a strong buy at an 11% upside potential. Centerpoint Energy is next, ticker symbol CNP, currently trading at about $26. November 17th is the ex-dividend date. Pays 17 cents per share. And it's a strong buy at 7% upside potential. Moving on, this one doesn't have a very big yield, but it is a great company to get into. Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT, currently at about $325. It's up a little over 50% since a year ago. Ex-dividend date of November 17th, pays 62 cents per share. It is a strong buy. Like I said, it's a good one to get into. It has about a 10% upside potential. Raytheon Technologies is next, ticker symbol RTX. At about $90 per share right now. It has an ex-dividend date of November 18th, pays 50 cents per share. It is a strong buy through TipRanks at 15% upside potential. Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ, currently at a little under $165. Its ex-dividend date is November 22nd. It pays a dividend of $1.06 per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy with a 20% upside potential. Dow Incorporated, ticker symbol DOW. It's trading at about $57 a share right now. Ex-dividend date on November 29th. It pays 69 cents per share. It has a higher yield than some of these others at 4.76%. And Brink says this is a moderate buy, but it does have a 23% upside potential. Moving on to a pretty big staple for a lot of people's dividend portfolio is Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO. It's currently at about $55 a share. November 30th is their dividend date, and it pays 41 cents per dividend. Brink does have this as a moderate buy, and it's just about 10% upside potential. Lockheed Martin, currently trading at about $335. Its ticker symbol is LMT, has an ex-dividend date on November 30th, and its dividend payout is $2.80 per share. Brink has this as a moderate buy at 19% upside potential. Moving on to McDonald's, Mickey D's. MCD is the ticker symbol. A little under $250 for this stock right now. Ex-dividend date on November 30th. It pays $1.38 per share. It is a strong buy with an 11% upside potential. And the last one on our list today, Stanley Black & Decker, ticker symbol SWK. It's at about $188 right now. Ex-dividend date on November 30th. It pays 79 cents per share. Brink says this as a strong buy with a 21% upside potential. So there you have it. 30 different stocks for you to think about that have an ex-dividend date in the month of November. But remember, please do your own research before you make any commitments to buying any of these stocks. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so you can come back and watch more videos on personal finance and investing. So that's it for this video. So until next time, have a great day.